Welcome to A Better Me. Today we're diving into a topic that affects all of us, confidence. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the podcast and to share it because it really helps us in building a better podcast for you and finding confidence that our podcast has a meaning and helps people. So now let's dive into the topic. Building confidence doesn't have to be a huge, daunting task. In fact, it's often the small, consistent actions that make the biggest difference. One of the easiest ways to boost your confidence is by keeping promises to yourself. Start with small goals like waking up 10 minutes earlier or finishing a book you've been meaning to read. Each time you follow through, you're reinforcing the belief that you can trust yourself to succeed. Another tip is to focus on your strength. We often get caught up in what we're not good at, but shifting your attention to what you excel at can be a game changer. Make a list of your strengths and remind yourself of them daily. Finally, practice positive self-talk. How you speak to yourself matters. Replace self-doubt with affirmations like I am capable or I deserve success. Over time, this will rewire your mindset and boost your self-esteem. This week, try focusing on one small action that can build your confidence, whether it's setting a goal, focusing on your strength, or practicing positive affirmations. You'll be surprised at how these small shifts can lead to big changes. Thanks for listening to A Better Me. Stay confident. Please share this episode and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.